Okay, so that's the random starting. Anyways, today I'll be unboxing this. I almost just showed that barcode, but I do not want to show any address, so we will be unboxing this package. So let's get right into it. I'll unbox from behind so you cannot see anything. Or do I even need to? Can you just tear open it, right? Yeah, we can. So for this video I got a new wireless microphone, like transceiver of some sort. There's nothing in here anymore. I got a receipt from them. So yeah, it's a SK750 wireless microphone system. So let's see if it's good. I do not have my nice cutter with me right now. Enough. There should be 2 mics and 1 receiver here. So hopefully there is. Why the heck is there markings there? I really need a knife cutter, honestly. I think a USB cable can. So okay, so we managed to open some sort of opening here. So it's all good. This one is ears. Yeah, I think this means like 2 microphone, 1 wireless system. So let's open it. Okay. So yeah, it's actually pretty light, not heavy at all. So this is the system, and you can see the camera. Hello. So this is how it looks. I think it's pretty cool. I'll just grab one. And it's made in China. Got a clip. It's quite strong. The microphone. Actually, the mic. This one here means that, from what I know, you can actually plug your own mic and like maybe for example Lavalier, and this one can act as like the mic. Instead of using this, you will use your mic and then you still send this mic signal to your transmitter here. And we got power on set, volume plus and volume minus. And then let's check the receiver. This one is the RF receiver, just for power on button. It's matte texture. I mean, you get what you pay for, literally. This one is connected to your device, and this one is connected for monitoring the headphone levels. And also the clip. I mean, realistically, you just put it on the mount. Type C for charging. I think this one also have Type C for charging. Yep. And this is the other last mic. And really, I think this is all that it has. Like, that's all really. Well, I think we can try testing it out. I need to get a cable for this because I do not have the cable. So wait a moment. Okay guys, I'm back bringing a spare mic to test this, the spare mic thing. And then this one is a Boya. This one mic is actually not even that good. Like, I don't suggest you buying this. It's actually not that good. Like, I think you would be better off buying any other mic than this. So this, I've got this 423, but technically we don't need this because I have another, which is this, which is basically for the microphone. For this device, go into my smartphone to receive the signal. So I forgot to open the below because there's stuff below here. That's the dead cat, if I remember correctly. Yep. So yeah, can't believe I missed it. So yeah, it actually includes two dead cat. Let me just put away 2 dead cat for outside use with the mic. Let me just grab for the outside use with the mic, so it won't be quite noisy, the wind noise. And we got a Type C charger. Oh, 3 in 1, so you can charge 3 of them with 1 USB. And then, like I said, the USB cable. So I didn't know you provided me with it. This one's from the receiver to my smartphone, I guess, technically. And then this one is for like any microphone that I will be connecting it to. So yeah. Okay, camera to mic. Technically this one is for like also that receiver to a normal DSLR camera or mirrorless that supports the 3. Because only smartphone needs 4 to work. Then we got the manual here. So it says everything you need to know about it. It's all Chinese, makes sense. It's a Chinese product. Oh wait, that's English. wireless microphone system, fully functional, RF, IF, C, built-in audio, external power indicator, Type C, and everything else. So we're gonna test the mic out right now. So let's open it, turn it on first. I haven't turned it on yet, so okay. Do I need to turn it? I need to hold it, maybe? Or does it have no battery? Let me turn on the mic first. So let's turn on the mic. Okay, the mic is turned on. Turn on the receiver. Okay, I guess you need to turn on the mic and then receiver. And then now they are connected. I will plug this in. Okay, I'm recording. Okay, so I am recording right now. So let's zoom in on that. And let's if I poke this, it should have. Okay. So this is how the mic sounds. I'm literally like feels just like 5 centimeters away from the mic. So how is the sound quality? I do have some little bit of wind noise, but hopefully that's fine. So this is how the sound quality test. Also some voice syncing here, just in case it can't pick up my voice. So now that we tested it works properly, let's try putting on the dead cat. This dead cat. Oh wow, it's super fluffy. Holy crap. Okay, so that's a clip here, three mount clip, 3 clips. So just take the mic and then you just align it, and yeah, it's done. You just align it, boom, that's your mic. Very cool. So again, I already plug it out, but again, let's just try this. Right now I'm actually very close to the mic, so this won't be any problem, big problem honestly, but alright. So it's recording again. What do you think? So yeah, very cool. I mean, it's recording and I'm literally using the mic. Whew. There is a second mic which is underneath here. So let's also turn it on. It should also work as well. Okay, so this works and this also works, I guess. So let's put this here and then okay. So I guess both mic works, I guess. So both mic works. Very cool. We should probably end this now, but let me before we end this, let's do a noise. There is noise reduction on the microphone, just so you know. It's not a lot, but there is, and it exists, so beware. That's all for today's video. Thanks for checking it out. Bye bye. There will be more comprehensive tests. After this will just be focused on the unboxing experience. Bye bye. In which I will be using the microphone.